Hey, it's Jerry from Impact 90, and today we're going to talk about how to add a PDF to your Squarespace website. So, adding a PDF to your Squarespace website is fairly straightforward, and it's a fun way to be able to add a lot more information to your website without making your website, adding another page, or making it clunky. So, say we're doing the services and pricing. Once again, this is just a sample site we're using for the testimonial or the tutorial videos. And she says, I'm a graduate student who's worked with children for over 9 years, so she's a nanny, and maybe she wants to add something down here about her services. But she doesn't want to put it here. So we add here some text and just say, see attached PDF for more services. And we'll take that and we'll center that and we'll do heading 3. What you would then do, actually we won't say see attached, let's just do click here for PDF with more services. And what you would then do is instead of clicking here and finding a teardrop and adding an element, it isn't actually added this way. It's a similar way to adding a link. So we'll just highlight it and we'll go up here. We'll click the link button. We'll click the gear icon. And then these are all our options. And we're going to go down to File. And it's already uploaded, but we'll just upload another one. You would choose it, Upload. And we'll say, here it is, the sample I-90 PDF. You'll upload it. And now you have, they're both repeats. I had already uploaded it, but you'll just select it. And then we'll hit Open in a new window. And then we'll hit Save, Apply, and then we'll hit Save again. And now, if we're in this website and we're looking at this woman's, nanny services, and it says click here for PDF with more services, this will open up a new window with that PDF. Now, the PDF I use is just one of an image, but obviously you could have whatever PDF of whatever size that you want. And space on Squarespace is essentially unlimited. So adding PDFs to your site is a really easy way to make your site a lot more dynamic without making it more clunky. So that's all for this episode. The next video, we are going to talk about how to add an audio file.